Hello and welcome. My name is JesseMcDesign, and today we're actually just going to do a little bit of hanging out and talking. Normally I'm over here making stuff like these dragon tail boxes with scales, but I recently hit a little viral moment, if you will. I've got a lot of interaction with these on a few posts of mine over on TikTok and Facebook. For the past couple weeks, I was posting pretty regularly over here on YouTube, making videos and all that, but since I've gotten all the interest in these, it seems that all I've been doing is making a bunch of these. I've made probably 15 to 20 so far in the past couple weeks, and they're selling as fast as I can make them, which is awesome, but it's a lot of work and it's a little stressful, especially when I want to be over here posting once a week if possible. With that being said, it has been a couple weeks. I do have a couple ideas. I am gonna start working on another project that's gonna be posted up over here while I'm working on the next batch of these, but I just wanted to kind of capture this moment and just document it and just have it be there for, who knows, the next moment that happens, and then the moment after that, and then you can look back on this in a year, 2, 5, 10, who knows, and see where things kind of started, you know. So I just finished this batch. What I'm actually gonna do now is start pre-packing them, because they go super fast. It's kind of crazy, but we're gonna move to the floor and start packing some of these up and just chat. So I know these videos aren't for everyone, especially me right now. I don't have very many people following and watching these, but who cares? I went ahead and bought custom boxes for these. Well, not custom, but custom size. They fit these things perfect, so they're not moving around and stuff. What I've been doing is I like to keep a lot of packaging material from like all my Amazon purchases and stuff like that, so I have a bunch of random boxes, but I also keep all the scrap like bubble wrap and some of the good packing material. I don't want to keep like nonsense. I do have some nicer stuff that I'm gonna eventually move towards once I use up this nonsense stuff. I also went ahead and ordered more of my personal logo sticker. I haven't made any of these in a while, and I just ran out with these boxes here, so I ordered some more of those. I had to print out some more thank you cards, which is alright. I do those on my own. I just make them and chop them up, and I have all the little doodads to make them nice and straight and round the corners and everything real nice. I also ordered a custom stamp, which isn't here yet, but maybe it will be before I send these out, just to put a stamp on the outside of the box so that people know it's my order that's coming in. I also ordered some custom stickers. I've recently been doing these flower stickers. Every couple months I'll come out with a newer one. But I had one of my older designs. It's like the Stranger Things logo, but it says Maker Things instead. And I ran out of those a long time ago, and I haven't made any more, so I got some of those coming as well, along with my stickers and my stamps. That should be here within the next couple days, I assume. I'm not really too sure. So what I'm doing here is just laying a simple little cover around the scale to keep that pretty nice, slipping it back in its home, and then I'll take another little strip here and just kind of ball it up just to fill that space, so when it's closed it don't move around too much. And then I'll take a nice little square of some bubble wrap, shove it down in the bottom of the box, and kind of put that inside of there. And then what we'll do at the end is we'll make all these really nice and put them on top, and then we'll put another layer of bubble wrap around that before we completely close these in. So now what I'll do is I'll take my homemade thank you card, and on the front I have this little tape dispenser, puts a little strip of tape on there, and I can just put I like to put one of my custom stickers on there, and then on the back side a nice logo sticker, and then I like to sandwich it with 2 business cards. We're good to go. Alright, so there you have it. Just a little update on what's going on here. Just wanted to document this little moment in time, show you how I package things so it's not completely useless. There is some info in there about that. Good way to package stuff, you know. This ain't moving nowhere, it's in there nice and secure. The scale inside the box isn't going anywhere, it's secure. What you saw in that last one with the paper is going to be more of how my packaging is going and how my package is going to go from now on. I just like that, you know, like eco-friendly type of deal, plastic, or not plastic, paper, cardboard, just trying to make it look nice, you know. Again, I'll have that stamp, so I'll be able to stamp on here my little logo and everything to make it that much nicer. But that's pretty much it, you know. Quick video this week. I just wanted to kind of document that. I also just wanted to get something out on the channel, just to, you know, it's been about 3 weeks since I've put something out. Again, my next project is going to be a fun one. It's going to be a custom rug type deal. You're the first person to know about it if you're listening all this way. So, if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. It really helps. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. Leave a comment what I should build next, make next, what my video should be. Who knows? Whatever. Let me know. Thanks for watching.